Everybody, welcome back to my Entrepreneurship channel. Today I'm excited to share with you how Meta AI, that is WhatsApp Meta AI, has helped me to earn passive income on a daily basis. You always see me coming every day. You always see as if it is a walkover. Some people might be wanting to be like, how can I do it? And I do it like Christine or Imaketro in particular, to come daily, to come almost every after 10 hours we post a video. So how has it given us passive income? It has helped us in different ways, from making content, that is transcripting content, to doing transcripting the titles. And when we're talking about titles, we're talking about high optimized titles. We are talking about description. Then we talk about key searchable words, without forgetting our, in general, it's like we are talking about metadata base. Sincerely, it has been a game changer for us. So for making money online has made it perfect. In today's video, we're going to discuss about it. As you know all that as content creators, I know it's hard for you. It can even be hard for anybody to get content noticed online. With so much competition, it's easier to get lost in the noise, in that cloud, because every minute thousands of videos are being uploaded. So if thousands and thousands, what do you think, how many millions are uploaded on a minute basis? And what about on a daily basis? That's why I'm struggling to earn. That's why I was struggling to earn before the passive income, from struggling before to earn passive income from my online business. When we're talking about struggling, I know there are some content creators that are there facing this problem. Today, let it end if you know you really want to make passive income. So as creators, we have gotten for you a solution. It's not us, but we found it. There are some people who found it, but they did not share. But for us, when we found it, we say, let's share with you such that you can enjoy this online business. What are we talking about? It's WhatsApp Meta AI. That's when I discovered Meta AI. It is a powerful tool that is using artificial intelligence to provide high optimized metadata for my content. From title to description, keywords, tags, thumbnails, WhatsApp Meta does it all. How does it work? How it works is very simple. What you do, you only need to get WhatsApp Meta AI. It is there on your WhatsApp. You can go to your WhatsApp. The moment you open WhatsApp, you are going to see it, as you can see it on the screen. So what you only need to do, you only need to go to WhatsApp, then click on Meta AI. The moment you click on Meta AI, feed in what you want to do. So for you to feed on what you want it to do, you have to have knowledge about it. And this is what I've come to give you. Because you might go randomly and ask anything and they will give you anything. So it works like this. The tool will provide you with high optimized metadata. You can then use this metadata to optimize your content and increase your visibility. So what are expected results? When you use WhatsApp Meta AI, like me, I've seen significant increase in my online earnings by making sure that by making sure that my videos are visible, since they follow SEOs. So my content is now more visible, and I'm earning passive income from my online business and my online content. And on a daily basis, I can't fail to earn $50. The best part is WhatsApp Meta AI is easier to use, even for those who are new to online marketing. So this is going to be a step-by-step tutorial of how you are going to use it, like I am using it, to make sure that I earn passive income. Now I'm going to show you how to use WhatsApp Meta AI to optimize your content. Here is a step-by-step tutorial. The first one, we are going to talk about title. WhatsApp Meta provides high optimized titles that are designed to grab the attention of audience. If I take you back to our data in some 6 and beyond, before, our videos, it would be hardly it was hardly recognized, especially online. To find it gets attention. But when we started using Meta AI, our titles are wow. When I talk about wow, it's not only to pull people's eyes, but also to capture the algorithm. How do you do it here? For the titles, you go to Meta AI, WhatsApp Meta AI, explain to Meta AI, hi Meta AI, please, I would like for you to give me a highly optimized title for this topic of mine. The moment you give it to it, it is going, if I'm you, I always ask it to give me like 3 to 4 options. So when it gives me 3 to 4 options, I wait. Sometimes I even take these options and I put them in VIDQ. Then I get the general score. That is if you have time. When I get the general score, when I find this is 90 over 100, this is 8 over 100, of course I take the one which is above 90. Now another person is going to ask that, Christine, but mine is weighing 90 but it is not grabbing. Sometimes I go ahead and even tell Meta AI, please make my title a bit longer and exciting. Even sometimes I tell it to change the tone. If it was educational, can it be casual? So this is how Meta AI has been helping me on titles. Then on description, the tool also provides high optimized description that are designed to entice your audience to click on your content. Let me teach you something that I've been using, and I've made it on like 3 to 4 videos that have gone viral. Now I've decided, let me tell it to you, because in the videos that I've not used, it has not worked for me very well. Even when I go to the scores, I find they are low. But this one, the method I'm going to show you what I do, I don't go to Meta and tell it, please write for me this. So what I do, I tell Meta, please give me key searchable words for this title. Remember, it has already formulated the title itself. So the moment it gives me key searchable words, I get these key searchable words like what you can see on the screen. I again tell Meta, formulate for me a high optimized description of my video using these key searchable words. Do you know the magnitude there? Now you have combined the key searchable words. Here we are not confusing the algorithm, but our content needs to be recognized, need to be above, need to meet the algorithm standards, the SEOs. So the moment I do that, it gives me my description, which is highly optimized. When we go the keywords, already remember, I've killed 2 birds at a go. I first looked for keywords before doing the description, and I used the keywords to make the description. So those 2 things are finished. Then I go to the metadata number 4, which is tags. Tags are very important. This tool also provides you high optimized tags that are designed to categorize your content and increase your online visibility. What I do, what you can do, it's very hard for us, even if you go to use any other tool or to go and research on your own, it's very hard to know which one is the right tag that can lead you or more searchable or can lead you to more viewers. So what I do, I tell Meta AI, please, can you give me high optimized, high searchable as to SEO, the tags of this title. It will give me primary, it gives me secondary, it goes ahead to give me the long ones. Then I come back and check them. When I finish checking them, remember with the database, the moment you're going to put your tags, there is a minimum and there is a maximum. So I always copy them, take them there, crystallize them. The moment I see there are more than 5,000, I delete some. I see the ones which are ranking high, I leave them there. So this is how Meta AI, WhatsApp Meta AI has been helping me, and it is still helping me. You can copy that one. The last but not least is about thumbnail. You guys, thumbnail is very important. WhatsApp Meta AI provides high optimized thumbnails that are designed to grab the attention of your audience. What is a thumbnail? The thumbnail comprised of very many things. It is a text, it is the appearance, it is the look, by the facial expression, all that. So what I tell Meta AI, I tell them, please, can I get nice catchy text that I can use for my video? On a thumbnail, it gives me, I choose. Even sometimes I say, which expression do I need for this for you to know that your thumbnail is should I call it not appetizing, is appealing and it grabs attention, you can use VIDQ after using this. So but before you go to use VIDQ with Meta AI, WhatsApp Meta AI is very, very good. Let me show you how you can know that your thumbnail is great. To know your thumbnail is great, you're going to start from the facial expression. Facial expression should make people know, okay, let me click. These are clickable thumbnails. Someone should say, no, I need to click on this thumbnail. That is one. The second thing is the text. This text, sometimes they need to be not confusing, but at least they can give you direct intrigue to take you to the title or to the video, and you're forced to do it. Even it should have value for the viewer, like the thumbnail should have value. How can it have value? If someone sees the thumbnail is there, is not forced to click there. Then also direct description and relevancy. The thumbnail, if the video is about wrestling, the thumbnail at least should show something about it. And don't forget, it should have emotion triggers. Emotion triggers are very important. When we come to brevity and grammar, it is very perfect. So for you to score all this, you need to go direct and go to Meta AI. Let them give you a thumbnail picture, as in a thumbnail. What do you think thumbnail what can I do for a thumbnail on a emotional appeal, personal appeal? They'll give you all these ones. I've been using it and I still use it. So guys, what do you think? Do you think you can copy this method, or you still want to put anything that comes